Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 4 how to change or update your Instagram biography using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go to the dock, navigate to the application GRIDS, which is already open. So I click this, and then as we did before in the previous tutorial, we clicked on this small arrow that points towards the bottom. Click on edit profile, and now we are actually ready to add more to the Instagram biography. So I click on this box. I can change things around. I may remove this and type the computer science videos, or I might just completely remove the. Change this to equal signs. Click on done. Refresh the page again. And there you can see we have changed and updated the Instagram biography on the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.